film something on that.
Okay, these will be the parking elevators at the Skyhouse at Channelside in Tampa, Florida. We got William and Kane here. And we'll wait for them to get filming.
Yeah, we're slow. You get it.
You ready?
Almost. Go.
Traditional.
Newer traditional.
I really hope these aren't hydraulic, but I have.
You trying to show up?
I bet you these are.
5.
Alright.
Alright.
All right, here we go.
Hydraulics for sure. Yeah, it's hydraulic.
Here we are on 5.
It's been a while since I've been on a newer traditional road.
One.
Doesn't work.
The bell doesn't work.
Yeah, it's now. Circle now. Let's see if that.
Check when these are stalled.
Very plain and basic cabs.
Is your parking garage elevator?
Yep.
For an apartment, they could have done much better, but no.
Here we are on 1.
You want to go up one more time?
Nah.
Alright.
It's too basic.
Yeah.
These are too boring for me.
If they were traction, maybe you could put the letter in there.
Yeah.
There it goes.
Yeah, that's the world's first 5K elevator video.
That'll be it.